This is research at nslab. I'm Polly, a professor at NTU EE department, and this video is made for the undergrad students who are looking for special topics to take on. That in Mandarin is 大学部专题. nslab stands for Network and Systems Lab. That means we pursue problems in computer networks and systems in general. I'm Polly, the manager of the lab. What you can see here is the trajectory of my career. Okay. If you pay attention here, you see that I have very diverse interests, starting off studying abstract math, and then computer science, and more recent years, electrical engineering. Now, equally diverse is the places I chose to pursue these interests. So I grew up in Taiwan, did my PhD in US, and starting off my career in Europe. ETH Zurich here is a very solid university in science and technology. Equally solid in science and technology is NTU, with which I'm very proud to be a member of for 20 years. We have currently 4 graduate students and 4 undergrad students continuing their special topic. So this semester, Polly is planning to take on 2 to 4 more new undergrad students. And let me try to narrow things down for you. nslab is interested in computer network and systems problem in general, but more recently and more to Polly's expertise are these 2 topics, multimedia networking and mobile wireless systems. To put in one key phrase, it will be mobile multimedia internet services. Now, important information, the 3 projects ongoing that you may choose to join. First is Internet Video, aka the Twitch project. It is the most mature. We have been working on it for a couple years already. If you're looking for publication, this is the project you want to consider joining. Second, mobile AR. Polly just started it last year. We've been doing some exploration from then and now, and we're looking for some results in the coming semesters. Last but not the least, wearable IoT, we have a brand new project we're starting called Polyband. It was very exciting. Now, so to find out each of these projects more, definitely look into the videos coming up. You will see which one fits your need, fits your interest more.